Let's go to number 4. In number 4, in a right angle, there's one angle that measures 14 degrees more than the other angle. Find the measure of the other angle. So we have a right angle, right? So if we draw the figure, meron tayong right angle. But one angle measures 14 degrees more than the other angle. So ganito yung solution namin. So we have, this is the formula. X plus 14 plus x equals 90. So this thing that you see here, that is the angle that contains the condition. This x that you see here pertains to the angle, the value of x. Because sabi dito, one angle measures 14 degrees more than the other angle. So we take out the parentheses and it becomes like this. Remember, that's why it says remove parentheses. Ang kasunod dyan, combine like terms. So like terms, i-like more terms, like terms mo yung dalawang x. So 2x plus 14 equals 90. Now we're in two-step equation. So now we have 90 minus 14, you should get 76. And 2x is equivalent to 76. Divide both sides by 2, you should get 38. Now to check your solution, the x plus 14 angle, that's angle A, it should be 52 degrees. And the second angle must measure 38 degrees. So when I sum all of it all together, you should get 90. And if you get that answer, you are correct. So therefore, the answer is angle A measures 52 degrees and angle B measures 38 degrees. Very good. Now for the next problem. Number 5. Angles 1 and 2 are a pair of supplementary angles. However, angle 1 measures 35 degrees less than the other angle. Solve for angle 2. Okay, in this one naman, it's still just like what you did in the fourth problem. Kaya lang, it's a supplementary angle. It says here, angle 1, di ba it's a supplementary angles. There are a pair of supplementary angles. Angle 1 measures 35 degrees less than the other. So now let's solve for angle 2. So ganito kasi yung mangyayari. Di ba ito yung solution sheet ko, di ba? Never mind if you can't see it clearly, but this is the solution sheet. So we have x minus 35. You know that x minus 35 is the angle whose condition is implied. Then plus x, which is the value of the angle, is equivalent to 180 degrees, which is the grand total. Now we sum up the two x's and you should get, now we remove the parentheses, we should get x minus 35 plus x equals 180. Combine like terms, we should get something like this. Never mind kung di siya makikita kasi dilaw siya. Yes, 2x minus 35 equals 180. And then with that, add 35 to both sides. You should get 215. Tama? So 2x, ano ba? Yes, so you should get 2x is equivalent to 215. Then divide by 2, you should get 107.5. Kasi nga ito yung ginawa ko eh. C19 divide by 2. C19 which is 215 divide by 2. So yan. And what did we get? Let's see. Now to check. Remember the angle that has the condition x minus 35. That is 107.5 minus 35. You should get 72.5. And then the other angle, that's 107.5 which we got a while ago. When we sum this up all together, sinam ko yung dalawa, yun nga, you should have gotten 180 degrees. And it checks. So therefore, what's the answer? Angle 1 measures, di ba, x minus 35 is angle 1. So therefore, ang final sagot ay, angle 1 measures 72.5 degrees, while angle 2 measures 107.5 degrees. Yun lang. Now let's go to number 6. For number 6, you have this type of angle. So we have 78 degrees, which is the measure of angle NUE. And then angle JEN measures 215 degrees. So what we're asking for is the measure of angle JUE, which is the reflex angle. Ano yung JUE? JUE. Yung ito. Yung reflex, di ba? Yung reflex angle. Okay? When we say reflex angle, the angle that measures more than 180 degrees. So we know that this is an obtuse angle, but this is the reflex angle. So how do we do this? Ganito yung formula. First, let's do angle June first. Kasi nga for angle June, which is this one, we know that the entire thing is 215 degrees. But we know we want to make a full rotation, we should get 360 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 215. Ito yung ginawa ko, di ba? And you should get 145 degrees. Tama? So angle JUN measures 145 degrees. Now what about angle JUE, which is the reflex? Kasi if you think this one is JUN is 145 degrees, which is this one, you need to get the reflex angle of angle JUE. So 145 and this is 78.